Hi, it's Robbie from Southern California. I'm putting together the shortest video possible on how to feed hummingbirds. I usually like to explain myself more, but everything will be in this video in less than 3 minutes. So you will understand that this is the only homemade nectar that you can make that will keep your hummingbirds alive and happy. And this is not my recipe. This is the Hummingbird Society's as well as the Smithsonian. And how do you think we went from having one hummingbird to thousands of hummingbirds? By using this recipe that you can make at home for pennies. Let's get right into how to make it.
And now I'll show you exactly how easy it is to make. Because of the method I use with hot water, it's good to start with a glass bowl, anything Pyrex. You need 1/4 cup of white table sugar. It can be sugar beet, beet sugar or cane sugar. And hot water. We're going to put in 1/2 cup of hot water. The reason I'm doing that is I want to melt that sugar. So you're going to stir it up, and as soon as it melts, like that, and it's so quick, you add in 1/2 cup of cold water. So it is 1/4 cup of sugar to 1 cup of water. That's it. You are done. This is a recipe. So 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water, and that is all the ingredients you need. And test it, make sure it's not too warm, and if it's not, go ahead, wash your feeder out and put it in there. Now you can store this in the refrigerator for up to about 5 to 7 days. So put out small amounts as needed. And like I said, it can be cane sugar or beet sugar. Beet sugar may be GMO'd, cane sugar may not. It is sometimes as well. But the main thing is it has been processed and turned into sucrose, both. The white table sugar is sucrose. That's all you need to do. Now, wash your feeder, put out a small amount. If you've only got a few birds, this way you're not wasting it, and you want to leave it outside for about 2 to 3 days. If for any reason you see it looks like there's something not right with it, definitely take it in. And you can use your own tap water as long as you can drink it, because after all, they're out in the garden drinking your water that's coming out of your hoses. And there is no need to boil all the water unless you want to. I do not. There's a myth out there saying you have to boil it so you don't get mold. The mold is actually being brought in by the birds because they're into everything. And when they feed in there, they're bringing in bits of stuff. And that's why it gets dirty. And that's why we should clean it really every few days. So with that, have a wonderful day. And don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye.